Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer IRA rollover using TD Ameritrade, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer an IRA rollover using TD Ameritrade, start by visiting the TD Ameritrade website. Log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the top menu. Select Transfer Funds from the drop-down options. You will be directed to a page that outlines the types of transfers available. Choose IRA Transfer to initiate the rollover process. Read through the transfer information carefully. Click on the Start Transfer button to proceed. Next, you will be asked to provide details about your current IRA account. Enter the account information for the existing IRA. Make sure to provide the financial institution's name and account number accurately. Indicate the type of IRA you are transferring, whether it be traditional, Roth, or another type. After completing this section, click on the Continue button. You'll then review the details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer request. TD Ameritrade will send a transfer request to your current IRA institution. Once the transfer is initiated, it may take several days to a few weeks to complete. Monitor your TD Ameritrade account for the arrival of the transferred funds. You'll receive notifications when the transfer is complete. After the funds are available in your TD Ameritrade account, you can begin investing. Make sure to consult with a financial advisor if you have questions about your investment choices. Keep all documentation related to the transfer for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.